The mirror command will duplicate an object or grouping of objects to a different location. This is a bit different from the standard use of the copy command as it creates a mirrored or flipped arrangement of the items you've selected. To use this command, let's go ahead and take a look at this in the plan view. So I'm in level 2 structural plans right now. We're going to zoom in here and we can see that we have this structural bay with different beams going across it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to mirror this piece and these pieces here so that we have exact copies of all these over here on this side of the bay. Also, we're going to move this structural grid bubble so that it's over here. So in order to be able to do this, probably the quickest way would be to move your arrow up to this location, click and hold the mouse button down, and just kind of window around this location. Once you see everything that's lined up with the number 3 there highlighted in blue, go ahead and let go. Now we have a group of objects here that have been selected. Also, we need to pick up each of these objects. And to do that, we need to hold down our control key on our keyboard and then make a selection using just the left mouse click for each of these different items. Once we have everything that we want to, we're going to go ahead and mirror it around this number 4 right here. So to do that, we need to use the mirror command. And in particular, we're going to use the mirror pick axis command. Now, there's actually 2 different mirror commands. One is the pick axis command, and the other one is this one right here, which is draw axis. If we do the draw axis command, we could actually draw the entity that we'd want to flip these objects around. But in this case, we're going to use the pick axis command. So instead of needing to draw this line in, we're just going to pick this line and click. And it's going to automatically mirror or make a copy of all these entities on the other side of this line here with the number 4. You'll also notice that it tries to keep in sequence the structural grid so that we now have 3, 4, and now the number 5. I will add a little disclaimer in here though. If the last thing we had done as far as the structural grid goes was perhaps the letter C, because this goes A, B, C, it would have tried to put the letter C right here. But since the last one that was actually drawn was the number 4, it tries to keep that sequence and it'll do the number 5 next. Let's take a look at this in a 3D view so we have a really good idea of what it is that we just accomplished. So to do that, come up to the little house at the top of the screen, which is the default 3D view button, and you can see how we've mirrored all these different objects to the other side. So the mirror command simplifies the creation of the same arrangement of objects flipped along a specific axis point.